Today, we'll create this amazing ending slide just like movie end credits in under 1 minute. If this video helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First, go to Insert and insert this video as the background. The download link is in the description. Then insert a text box and add in your details. It should look something like this. Finally, go to Animations and search for Credits Animation. Select Start with Previous and set duration as you want.